Hi, my name is Luis Baltodano. I'm the owner of Baltodano's Drywall and Painting. We started my company in 2012. Since that time, we added the painting services for commercial and residential projects. Our staff has over 10 years of experience with both drywall and painting. We can handle jobs both big or small. I started out when I was 18 years old. I learned the trade when working for a big company. Now, more than 20 years later, me and my staff are focused on providing a high quality service. What makes us different from other companies is that we communicate with the customer on a daily basis, making sure they're satisfied with the process. Our customer appreciate knowing that we're on track. Some jobs can take up to 2 weeks, and they appreciate the daily updates. We cover the South Bay, San Francisco, and both Alameda and Contra Costa County. If you're looking for drywall and painting services, feel free to reach out to us. We will give you a free estimate. Here at Baltodanos, we like to earn your business. Our goal is to have satisfied customer for every job we do.